The year in which the privatization of technical education was initiated in Rajasthan, there were a few government colleges in existence. When Dr. V.K. Agrawal established Institute of Engineering and Technology, Alwar, nobody could even dream that the institute will achieve heights of success and will be counted amongst the premier engineering colleges of North India. It was the result of tireless efforts, clear vision, and foresight of Dr. V.K. Agrawal that the state lagging behind in technical education will achieve new dimensions and the establishment of private colleges will be initiated. So, the Institute of Engineering and Technology came into existence in a lush green area spread over 30 acres and with a constructed area of 3 lakh square feet. Initially, 4 branches were offered, namely Electronics and Communication, Electronic Instrumentation and Control Engineering, Electrical Engineering and Computer Engineering. In due course, Information Technology was added and the intake reached up to 420 students per year, which is the highest in the state. IET is proud of the fact that in the 7th year of its existence, the seed that Dr. V.K. Agrawal sowed under the direction of his father, late Mr. T.K. Agrawal, has become a well-groomed tree. The tree is visualized with pharmacy, biotechnology, MBA, MCA, homeopathic and various postgraduate programs as its branches. It is evident that due to quality of education and distinguished laboratories, the college has emerged as the first choice of the North Indian students. In the progress and success story of IET, Dr. Manju Agarwal, the executive director of the institute, fully supported Dr. V.K. Agrawal and at every step motivated Dr. Agrawal. The excellence and expertise with which this couple established the institute is a unique achievement in itself. The foundation stone of the present college campus was laid down in 1999 by the then Technical Education Minister Mr. Rajendra Singh and Professor R.S. Nirjhar. The college has 6 computer labs which are well furnished with approximately 500 Pentium 4 networked computers. Apart from this, an IT block was established which has 4 state-of-the-art computer labs. All the systems are connected via high-speed wireless networking, making the students feel a part of the technically advanced world. In the main academic block, there are 2 computer labs with internet facilities, which are based on leased line and radio frequency link technology. Thin client lab connected with high-ended Xeon servers having the capabilities to work under 12 different operating systems. The main library has 30,000 books, 176 national and IEEE international journals, and approximately 400 educational CDs. Apart from this, there is a book bank in the college, which is utilized by the students. There are departmental libraries controlled by the main library. Also connected with Delnet, fully computerized with Libman software. It has 40 air-cooled, spacious and theatre-like lecture rooms fully equipped. The Electronics and Communication Department is furnished with the most modern technical facilities, has an intake of 120 students. A separate computer-aided design lab has been established, which is utilized by the students for their research and project work. Similarly, there is a lab in EIC department. The EIC department has recently established a new lab in which the technicalities and working of automated systems are studied by the students. In this system, the processing of raw material into product has been shown and explained as a miniature model. Similarly, in Electrical Engineering Department, technical education is reaching new heights in the direction of able and experienced professors. IET, a training and placement cell, is also actively involved in industrial training and placement of the students. The cell also organizes placement interviews with various organizations. The placement cell has an excellent relationship with national and international, private and public sector organizations, and the students are selected through campus interviews. During the last 3 years, the various well-known organizations in which our students have been selected includes Infosys, Wipro, L&T, Infotech, Reliance, HCL, NTPC, OSS Cellular, Indian Air Force, Indian Army, Bajaj, etc. In addition to this, approximately 125 students are studying in the premier institutions like IIT Kharagpur, IIT Delhi, IISc, NITIE, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Lucknow, Symbiosis, and many more. The Training and Placement Cell is continuously striving for better technical training to the students and making them able engineers. By keeping in view the professional career of the students, the college has initiated the following courses: MSCE, CCNA, and VLSI Designing. Due to this, the college has gained a great fame amongst the students as well as parents. IET campus comprises of 6 hostels in all, 5 for boys and 1 for girls. Each and every room is well furnished with attached lead bath facilities for the convenience of the students. These hostels can accommodate around 1,200 students. Each hostel is equipped with its own mess, which provides healthy and hygienic food in a neat and clean ambience. A high-level committee monitors the quality, purity, and hygiene of food provided. The IET management takes full care of the needs of students by providing them all the facilities under one roof so that wastage of time and money is minimized. As we all know that healthy body is necessary for developing a healthy mind, to meet the needs of the students, a modern gym has been set up in the college campus. The gym is provided with latest equipments to take care of the fitness of students. Yoga facilities are also provided under the guidance of well-trained experts. Apart from these facilities, various indoor and outdoor games are also available like cricket, football, basketball, lawn tennis, TT, chess, carom, and many more. To develop the sporting talents of the students, sports competitions are organized from time to time. IET is the name to reckon with in the various state-level sports competitions. The chief objective of all these sports competitions is the overall physical and mental development of the students. Apart from these, different cultural competitions and academic programs, including paper presentation, group discussion, debate, quiz competition, etc., are organized from time to time.